Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Etsy shop. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for etsy.com and then press on sign in here. If you don't have an account, you can press on register button here and you simply register. It's a very simple step, and then you press on sign in. Now you will be logged into your account. All you need to do is press on your profile here and you will see start selling with Etsy. Just before Etsy registry, I have already done this step. So I have my shop manager here. So you will see shop preferences. You need to select the shop language, the shop country, and the currency of the shop and of the products you will be selling. And then you will see you need to name your shop. You need to input a unique name that is not already used. And then you need to import the details of how you will get paid on Etsy. We have already launched some videos on how to connect your PayPal or how to connect your Pioneer account or Wise account or any other account. And then you need to share your billing informations like your address and everything. Maybe sometimes they will ask for some verifications, and then you need to do your shop security and follow the prompts that will show on the screen, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.